Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the My Lead Gen Secret update video. So this is my third update, and that is day number 29, couple of days before the new billing starts. Okay, so today is 17th of July, and let me just log in here. And in here, I would like to go to affiliates to show you my commissions. And I actually made 3 commissions as I see here, right? Total, I actually got 6 sales in total, and that is one from 3 of them from here. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and the source is my lead gen secret itself, right? So if I go to my downline, upgrade members are 3, and if I click on it, you will see the name and you will see the source. Okay, MLGS, this is 16th July, this is 29th of June, and this is 19th of June. So the emails that I did on that particular day, right? And I would like to show you the next result as well, which is an offer that I'm promoting with with MLGS. So let me just log into that. I click on sign in, and you can see I have made about $21 here. So if I click on here, you will see one I made a couple of days ago, that's the July 15th, and one July 8th, and one other that is previously done. If I go to commissions here, you will be able to see. So that is on July 3rd, 2025, July 8th, and July 15th. So every week I am making one sale $7. So overall it is $21. Don't mind this $200. I have explained why there is $200 in my previous video. So if you want to watch that, I have an entire playlist, so you can go ahead and watch that first. So if you want me to show, you can see there's like 3 videos. This is where I started, update number 1, update number 2, and this is update number 3. Okay, so 6 sales in total, and I'm still emailing daily with OLSP as my main offer, as you just saw, and MLGS as my secondary offer. So I'm putting both the affiliate links in my emails that I'm doing here. Okay, so if I click on mailing system here, I send daily emails to all these leads I'm receiving daily automatically, just like it just takes 5 minutes a day. So this is an experiment, and so far it is working well, right? So expense so far is $30, that is first month, and it builds $30 monthly. So today is day number 29, so it's almost over, and the revenue made so far is $36. So $21 in OLSP and $15 in MLGS. That's my lead gen secret. So my goal has been always been make more than $30 every single month, because it costs $30. So you just need to make more than $30 to keep it running, right? And have the chance of making recurring plus higher ticket sales later on. Basically, the affiliate section, I just showed you my commissions, right? So those are recurring commissions. So they pay $30 per month. I make $5 per month from them. And there is like tied affiliate commissions as well. So if they refer someone, I make $4, and if they refer someone, I make $3, and so on and so forth. It's kind of tied structure affiliate program here. So if I go back here, you can see this is the mailing system. I just need to select all the leads. I just need to enter my subject here, enter my body here, the actual email, and click on send email. That's it. But you do need to put in good emails here in order to get clicked. These are not warm leads or hot leads. These are very, very cold leads, and a lot of marketers are emailing them with all these affiliate offers. Okay, so if I go and click on statistics here, you will see that I'm sending emails to all this like more than 100k leads here. Okay, and take these stats with a grain of salt, because these are highly exaggerated. Even though I made money with them, these are highly exaggerated, so don't really trust on them. But I am tracking my sales, and so far all of them has been all of the $36 that I made has been from MLGS. So yeah, for now, goal achieved for this month. This is a pretty short video. This is just an update video. I promise you that I will keep updating this experiment. If it fails or if it's a success, I will update to you. So far my emails are working, and if you want to test it out, you can actually join. I will give the affiliate link down below, and I will track that too, that my sales came from YouTube, and I will actually give you my emails so that you can simply copy and paste, just replace your affiliate link and send the mails to all these people that you receive. And I want to show you the Facebook group of My Lead Gen Secret as well. So if I click on most recent new post, you can see Rafael made 2 sales thanks to MLGS. This is the Warrior Plus network. He made $24 with MLGS. He's tracking that. Ricky Williams, another couple of Warrior Plus sales today. So he made $9 and $16 here. First half of July is in books, and here is how much I have made so far. So he has got a lot of hops here, and he has made $124, which is actually good. So you can see people are getting results, and this Facebook group and all these posts was one of the reasons why I joined back again. I was a part of My Legion Secret at like 2023 or something. I was not getting that great results with them, but I joined back on 19th of June, and it's almost 1 month now. Create 29, 17th of July. So far made $36. So yeah, that's great. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you want to watch the whole playlist from the start, then I will put the link of that in the description as well. So yeah, that's that, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.